Okay, so in this video we're going to address the issue where Autodesk Revit MEP 2010 and versions prior do not like to cross-connect systems. In the situation that we have here, we've got a dedicated outside air system supplying outside air to rooms, and then also to the return side of a heat pump. So what would typically happen is as soon as we connect a supply air system to the return side of a unit, then the entire system will turn over to be returned, which we don't want. A supply or a outside air system coming off of a dedicated outside air system is going to be considered to be the supply side, so it still needs to be able to run supply into the back side of the system. So the way that we do that is we have to actually edit the T family. So we begin by selecting the T and going edit family. Go ahead and say yes here. When this comes up, the first thing we're going to do is go to the category and parameters dialog, and we're going to change the part type from being a T to a multi-port. I'm going to hit OK there. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to change the function of each connection. So currently our T is sitting in a return side on the straight portion and a supply on the takeoff. So what we'll do is we'll take this fitting here, go to the element properties, and we're going to change this to be return air. Flip around over on this side, change this one also to be return air, and then we're going to change this one to be the supply air. So it's about ready, but what I would do first here is I would take and save this family, and let's just save it here for the time being. Let's call this rectangular T supply main. I'm sorry, let's make this return main supply T, or let's say supply branch. Alright, let's go ahead and load this into our project. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to swap this out to be that part. Let's see here, let's go duct fitting. Alright, there we go. Let's do this. Let's go ahead and take this piece out here. Go with it. Let's heal this. And let's go duct fitting. And we're putting in rectangular T supply branch. Let's go ahead and take that to be there. Let's pull this thing back here. What we got to do first here is get our elevation to be right here. So let's set this to be at 9 foot. There we go. Alright, let's get duct here. This is going to be 12 by 12 on this side as well. Alright, and then let's go ahead and flip this. There we go. And we'll take, this is a 8 by 8, so let's take an 8 by 8 here. And we're almost done here. 8 by 8. Let's make one more change here. Let's actually change this to be an 8 by 12 here on this connection side. And let's pull this to where that connects up there. Okay, so now we see that we've got a return air connection here with a supply tapping in.